Morning, everyone. As said in the last video, we decided to come out here and go on a little bit of an adventure. So we're at Winding Stairs Park in Lafayette, Tennessee, and we're going to see if we can't hike down to the Cascades and do a little bit of waterfall chasing today. So let's see what all we can find and get into this morning and try and enjoy this beautiful Sunday. Here we are at the trailhead. Here's a quick little look at the map. Seems like it'll be a nice little walk. 0.7 miles to the Cascades. Not too bad. And now we come across our first overlook of the day. Does seem to be a little bit grown up, but that's alright. And see if I can zoom in here for you guys. See if we can't get a little footage of the trail for y'all here. This is the Cascade Loop. I've not been hiking in quite a while, so I decided to skip out on Jacob's Ladder because they say that that part is pretty steep. And I also heard what sounded like some more falling water down at the bottom here and wanted to see if I can't check that out for you guys. Beautiful area out here, right outside the city of Lafayette. Now I don't know about y'all, but that right there is a pretty nice view overlooking this gorge. Well, I reckon this is something that happens when you've had a few storms in the area the past couple days. Looks like we're gonna have to climb through this tree. But man, is this area not beautiful. All right, y'all. Coming up on our first cascade of the day. This is going to be the Southern Cascades. Had a little bit of tree damage from the last storm that come through earlier in the week. Check this out. See if we can't go on up the trail here and see a little bit more of these cascades. Now, in my opinion, y'all, that is well worth the hike down here. Isn't that just beautiful? Little steep coming up through here. So according to this sign here, this right here was an old logging road in the 1900s. How would y'all like to have to take a horse and buggy dragging logs out of this gorge? Amazing. Now, if that right there ain't worth the hike, I don't know what is. I believe this right here is what gained the park the name, Winding Stairs. Let's check it out. Let me just go ahead and tell y'all how cool it is right here underneath these bluffs. This water running all around you. It feels so good to just kind of hang out right here for a minute after hiking around this loop. That is one thing that amazes me about nature, is it can be blistering hot outside, but you come down to a place like this and it's just a very small, cool breeze almost all the time. It is just absolutely amazing. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be it for Winding Stairs. I think we're gonna try and run on down to the other side of Lafayette and check out Union Camp Falls. So let's get to it. All right, there it is, y'all. Union Camp Falls. Let's walk up here and take a quicker look at it. Very, very beautiful waterfall here. I think that's going to be it for today's adventure. Gonna head back to the house, try and edit this up and get it out there for you guys. And hope y'all have a good rest of your day. And we'll catch y'all next time.